Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 27th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So on the pound dollar monthly time frame, I actually think this is a 1, 2, probably we're going into a wave 3, and eventually it's going to make a wave 4 and a wave 5. Does look to me like this is probably going to be an ABC correction. This is almost like an expanding flat on like the euro dollar. So it's probably going to be something very similar on this one. Make a nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shape to the upside before it makes another move to the downside. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, I still believe this right here is all an uptrend for the 1. Now this is quite a bit of a higher high right here, but this to me is 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and then 5 waves down. I think it's a 3-3-5 pattern. I think it's like a wave flat, almost like a running flat. I was going to call it an expanding flat, but an expanding flat should take out the low of wave A. So it's probably more like a running flat, and I think we're most likely in an uptrend right now, which I believe over the coming weeks and months is going to continue to make higher highs, higher lows, all part of a wave 3, probably a wave 3 of wave C like I was showing on the monthly time frame. Taking it down to the daily time frame is where you can see what I think is the end of a correction right here. I think this is a 1, I think this is a 2, and I believe we're in a wave 3. My projection for this wave 3 is up in this area right here. Eventually I think it'll make a more shallow wave 4 and then probably back up for a wave 5, and this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 1, which is probably just a wave 1 of wave C on like the monthly time frame. So keeping all that in mind, let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame, which with all that information, we need to keep in mind that we should primarily be looking for longs right now on these shorter time frames. I would definitely not be going long right now. If anything, we're probably close to the top of a trend. But if it does make a pullback, then at the end of the pullback, just like at the end of all these pullbacks right here, is where I would be looking to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I am definitely looking for pullbacks. I'm looking for 1, 2, 3 waves down, just like this right here. 1, 2, 3 waves down. 1, 2, 3 waves down. Even this back here is like a 1, 2, 3 wave pattern. So I'm looking for 3-wave pullbacks. I'm looking for impulsive moves up to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. According to the higher time frames, we're most likely in a wave 3 of wave 1, which is most likely a wave 1 of wave C on even a higher time frame than that. So like the daily range, I believe we're in a wave 3 of 1. The monthly range, I think we're in a wave 1 of wave C. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.